Man, welcome to the money making money mindset. Whew, it's been a long time in the making to get to this point, but this video is designed um, for beginners in crypto or stocks. Okay, that's what I made this for. All right. Don't want to go into too much, but at some point in time in my life, I got to the point where I wanted to make more money. And but I didn't want to give up too much time, away from the kids. I didn't want to deal with people, man. People crazy. So, um, one of my boys, Hot Soup, aka the Catch, um, he got into stocks. Okay, he came on the Polo. Shout out to the Polo, Marco Polo, and he was preaching his gospel about something new that I've never done before, stocks. But one thing about the soup, man, the soup is hot. The soup is hot. And and man, I jumped on just because the soup was hot. Nigga believes in himself, all right? So that was about 6 years ago, so on. So talk about I'm gonna call that the beginning. Okay, that was the beginning. Okay. So I got on, bam, So this is back in 2016. Um, I didn't know what I was doing, but forget about it. Bam. What's that on June 14th? Incoming wire. I'm in the game, baby. I'm in the game. I got a stack. About to get dirty with these people. Bam. Bought something. You know what I'm saying? I bought it for 65, sold it for 64. Bam, lost $42. Like, woo. I wasn't used to the ups and downs of the stock game, I wasn't used to it. So I said, let me sell even at a loss. Okay, it's only a $42 loss because I'm gonna get dipped even further than that. All right, so okay, lick my wounds. A couple days later, I'm back. Nigga, can't scare me. I'm back. Hopped in the game, bought some stock. I know what it is. Bam, made $461.99, and I've been hooked ever since. You hear me? Been hooked ever since. So bam, next day, boom, boom, bam, lost 100. I lost a quick 150, man. So it's a lot of ups and downs in this, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but the strategy